Next, 7x square minus 63. Again, I took 7 common and inside the parenthesis x square minus 9 because 7 times 9 is 63. So 63, first of all, I wrote 7 times 9. Then I took 7 common and inside the parenthesis, I left with a square minus b square. So one time it would be open as plus and one time it will be open as minus. Third type that you will see in the question that will be related to the two variables. So for here we were talking all the equations that were involving only one variable. Here is x, here is x square, here is x square, here is also x square, here is x square. Means that you are working with only one variable. You cannot see here x or y. You cannot see here x, y, z. Means only one variable is used. Next type of question that you will work for your exam, you will see that you will be involved with more than one variable. Just like here, this is a combination of x and y. So two variables are using here, x, y cube, and the next one is x cube y. Make sense? First of all, you must have to remember that you have to take the number common. This is 4. 4 can be written as 1 times 4. 16 can be written as 4 times 4. So you have to see that which number is common in both of them. Obviously 4 is common, so that's why I took 4 common. Next you have to see that which letters are common. This is x to the power of 1, this is x to the power of 3. So it means that 1x I can take common because x to the power 1 is common in x to the power 3 as well. So I took x common. Then you will see that you are provided with y to the power of 3. And here you have no power of y. It means that there is the power 1 of y. So how many powers you can take common from it? Oh yes, we can take 1 power common from it. Make sense? Inside the parenthesis, I left with y square. This x is I took common, so that's why x will not be written inside because it's already taken common. 1 power from y to the power of 3 I took common, so inside it should be y square only. Then, because 16 will become 4 because I took 4 common already. This is x to the power of 3. X to the power of, out of 3, 1 power I took common. So inside the parenthesis, I should left with x square. And this is y to the power of 1 that I took common. So inside there will be no y with the 4x square. Now this one cannot be simplified more. You might be thinking that I can open y square plus 4x square by using the formula a square minus b square. That formula will not be used here. Why? Reason. Because that formula will be used, a square minus b square will be used whenever you are having minus. Check this sign. Is it minus? No, this is plus. So there is no formula for a square plus b square. The formula that we have is a square minus b square for the minus only. If we are provided with the plus y square plus 4x square, it means that we are talking like y square plus 2x like whole square. That cannot be further simplified because we don't know which formula we will use here. There is no formula for a square plus b square. Make sense? We are having the formula only a square minus b square. So in order to apply that formula, it's necessary for us that that plus should be converted to minus, right? Okay. Next we have to see that how we are performing the factorization method on the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means whenever the maximum power of x is 2. So we are provided here x square plus 7x plus 12. We have to see that first of all we must know that what is the number with that x. There is nothing. It means that there is 1. There is no number multiplied with x square. Whenever there is no number, it means it's obvious that there is 1. So what is your first step? Your first step is multiply 1 and the last number, that is without any variable, right? So multiply that 1 and 12. That will give you basically 12. It's obvious. Now you have to think in your mind any two numbers that can add or subtract to give you 7, because 7 is the middle terminal, and any two numbers that can multiply with each other to give you 12. You have to think any two numbers that satisfy these conditions. So first I think that 1 times 12. 1 times 12 is 12. right? But once I do 1 plus 12, it's giving me 13. But what I need? I need 7. Okay, then I subtracted 12 minus 1. That's giving me 11. But I need 7. It means that these choice of numbers, that is 1 and 12, it's wrong. I cannot choose them because its subtraction or addition is not giving me 7. Although its multiplication is giving me 12. Makes sense? But what I do, because its addition and subtraction doesn't satisfy my second condition, then I think that 2 times 6 is also 12. Okay, second condition verified. But what do you know about the first condition? If I do 2 plus 6, that will be 8. But I need 7. I will do the subtraction. 6 minus 2, that is 4. What I need? I need 7. So it means that the second choice of number is also crossed. That will not be used. Then I think that there is one more pair, that 3 times 4 is 12. Second condition verified. And then I do 3 plus 4. That gives me 7. Okay, right. Yeah, 3 plus 4 giving me 7. 7 was my choice. 7 was the number that I was looking, that was my need, that I was looking for. So it means that I can choose this pair. This work for me. So first number will be always written on its place same. That would be x square. Last number, that is 12, will be also written same on its place. The middle term will be breakdown with the numbers that you chose in the table. So those numbers were 3x and 4x. 3 and 4. And that x will remain same with both of them. Then I took a pair. This one is my first pair, taking x common, and inside the parentheses left x plus 3. I took a second pair. From second pair I took 4 common, and inside the parentheses I left with x plus 3. Next, I will x plus 3 I will take common, and inside the parentheses I will left with x plus 4. Or you can say that x will be combined with that 4 to give to x plus 4, and the next pair that is common in both, that is x plus 3, it will be written same on its place. So this is called the factorization of the quadratic equation. These are my two answers, x plus 3 and x plus 4. These are my two factors. Okay. Next we can choose one more example. It is x square. It is x square minus 12x plus 20 equals to 0. Okay. First of all, you have to see that what is the number that is with x square. There is no number. So whenever there is no number, it means that there is 1. It's obvious. Whenever there is no number with x square, it's obvious that we are having 1. You will multiply 1 with the last number, means the term that you are having here should be multiplied with the last number, that is 20. So you will do 1 times 20, that is giving you 20. Now think in your mind any two numbers that can multiply with each other to give you 20 and added or subtracted to give you minus 12. Make sense? Okay, let me try the numbers. For example, I'm choosing the numbers 5 and 4 because 5 times 4 is how much? 5 times 4 is 20, right? It means that my second condition verify. I found out two numbers whose multiplication is giving me 20. Once I do 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, right? Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. But I need minus 12. It means that that will not work for me. 5 plus 4 is 9, but I need minus 12. So it means that this pair is not choosable. I will also try subtraction as well. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Not possible. I need minus 12. So it means that the choice of number that I use here, 5 and 4, that will not work. That's wrong. I have to think something else. Let me take 10 and 2. 10 times 2 is also 20. Second condition verify. Also, 10 plus 2 is 12. Make sense? But what I need minus 12. And here I am getting 12. It means that I have to do something with the operation. Instead of taking 10, I should take minus 10. Instead of taking 2, I should take minus 2. So minus minus will be plus, operation will be addition, but sign will be minus. So it would be minus 12. And here, minus 10 times minus 2, that will be positive 20. Yeah, both conditions satisfy. It means that minus 10 and minus 2. This pair will work for me. That's fine. So I will break down. The first number will be written same on its place, that is x square. The last number, that is 20, should be written same on its place. I need to break down negative 12. So negative 12 I broke down by taking the pair, that is minus 10, minus 10x, minus 2x. I broke down 12 as two pairs. Minus 12 as two pairs, that is minus 10 and minus 2. And that positive 20 will keep its place same. Now again I will make pair. This is my first pair. I will take common from it. And this is my second pair. I will also take whatever the terms that can be possible to take common from them. From the first pair, I can take x common. And inside the parenthesis, I left with x minus 10. From the second pair, I can take negative 2 common. And inside the parenthesis, I left with x minus 10. Because I took minus 2 common. So because of taking minus 2 common, this is positive 20. So once I took minus 2 common, inside the parenthesis, the sign should also be changed because positive minus will become minus. So that's why it should be x minus 10. Now this is x minus 10, this is x minus 10. And I can make a pair with x minus 2. That will be written as x minus 2. I combine x with that negative 2. And the pair that is common in both will be written once. That will be x minus 10. So x minus 2, x minus 10. That will be my final answer for it. And this is my answer. Right? So that was all about factorization. You can confirm. Yeah, this is my answer. X minus 2, x minus 10. So in this way you can do the factorization.